Hello my lovelies, how are you all doing today? I hope you're all doing well. So we've got a bit of a unboxing. It's more makeup. It's from a brand I've never tried before. I was really excited to try this brand. It's called Fyne Cosmetics, I believe. So this came first. Let's get into this. So you may be thinking, oh, you're buying a lot of makeup recently, and truth be told, I am. Only because of the sales. TikTok shop, I've got some amazing sales on at the moment. Anyway, I needed to reach I think it was £20 to be able to get free shipping, and I wasn't that far off, so I thought I'd get myself a couple of their brushes. They're dual-ended, and if you've been watching my live streams on YT, you'll know I love a good dual-ended brush. So that's the packaging. So that comes in really nice packaging. Yeah, Fine Art Beauty. I just call it Fyne Cosmetics, but it's Fine Art Beauty. I was a little bit disappointed with one of these brushes, so I had to reach out to customer services. Unfortunately, it's not this one, because that one has got a mark on it, but that's what it looks like. It's really nice and fluffy, and then it's got this side here. So this side can be used for powder, it can be used for highlighter, whatever you want. And also this side as well can be used for like bronzer, blush, like I said, whatever you want. And then this brush, can you see the marks? I don't know what that is at all. It's sticky. So let me show you the brush though. I don't like complaining, especially to a brand I've never ordered from before. I just don't like it. This side's okay, so I can always use this side. But this side, I mean, it looks okay. It's on the ferrule, but like it just pops off dead easy, and I don't know why. You know, it doesn't look like it's been glued at any stage, so I don't know how they're put together. Doesn't look like there's glue in there either, I don't think. I could obviously use it. I even tried twisting it like this, and it's like, no, that's just going to come off. I can use it, but when I come to wash it, it just keeps coming up. So I'll probably just take that off and not use it, to be fair. But I reached out to the brand and I just said, look, you know, this is what's happened. This is how my brushes come. See, it keeps coming off. And at first he wanted me to return it, and each brush was only £2.4, and it's kind of like, return it, that's a little bit of a hassle, to be honest. But then they agreed to send me a replacement brush out, which is in this other box. I don't know where that loose component went. Anyway, it fell on the floor somewhere, so we'll go and have a look at that. But I don't think I can even use that. I thought I could at first. So let's open this other box. Right, so these come in really nice boxes. So I think these have come from Fine Art Beauty, whereas the first brush that I showed you came from TikTok shop. Ignore this, my mum taped it up for me so I wouldn't lose anything. This on top here, they sent out the brush in this big box here, and it's kind of like, really? But I'll show you that first anyway. And then they sent out a smaller box for the other items that I ordered. So yeah, it was just on top. So again, another brush there. Like I said, I can use the other side to that brush, the other brush. But the reason, you know, I complained is because when it comes to washing them, I think I'd have real trouble. So obviously, and not only that, these brushes at full price are worth £12. I don't want to be paying that amount of money, and I know I wasn't paying that amount of money, but I wouldn't want anyone to be paying £12 for a brush and one side doesn't work. So again, that looks like that. No, that's fine. And I'm not really pulling hard on them, so I've at least got 2 working brushes there. Then another luxurious box. Right, so this is what it's looking like. So let me show you the goodies I've got in there. The other box I'll throw out. So that was the last. I'll show you, this is what I saw last. I was actually going to order one of their lip glosses or lip oils, and I came across this Fine Art Beauty Textured Touch Brow Tint. Mine is in deep brown. I was going to get the taupe one. I wonder why I didn't. As far as I know, the sale's still going on now, and you can't deny that's not Luxe packaging. It actually looks like a mascara, and it's a brow tint. It looks like it's got a really nice, like, little one there. I wonder if I should put some on now and show you. Hang on. Right, let's try some. Just do it really quickly because I'm on 6 minutes. I've not used it yet. It's definitely my shade, because I do like to go a little bit darker than my natural brow colour. That's pretty actually. Ooh, a bit too much there. Got a brow up there, I need to sort that out later. But that's ingredients. I mean, it says it's an eyebrow tint. Normally an eyebrow tint you wipe off. Find your real beauty within. Doesn't say anything about it really. I'm not taking it off anyway, it's just going to stay there, and if my eyebrows are really, really dark tomorrow, then it is what it is. I need to look at it on the TikTok shop. Right, so I got two of their blushes, and they're normally quite expensive, and they wasn't this time. I can't remember exactly how much I paid for it, but they were in the sale. So that's the packaging. I mean, it looks so Luxe, doesn't it? So this one is a Radiant Rose, and to be honest, I mean, it might just be me. You can tell me what you think. I think both these blushes look so similar. That's the packaging there. I mean, the way they're set out, it reminds me of another brand. You'll know as soon as I open it. Oh, I didn't know it did that. So you can swivel it. So that's what it looks like. So you've got a matte and then this shimmer. Let me just try and lift it up. I will do swatches as well. I just don't think I'm going to have time here to do them. So that's what it looks like. That's Radiant Rose. Right, so just bear in mind what that looks like. So again, it looks like that, all fingerprinted. And then that looks like that. Do you not think they're similar? I think they're very, very similar. I do feel like this is a bit darker. Let's put them together now. Okay, yeah, they're a little bit, that one's a little bit lighter than this one. It's pretty much red, isn't it, that? So I don't know if it's going to suit my pale complexion. So that's what they're looking like. I think they're nice. I'll do some swatches in the next video because we're nearly at 10 minutes in this video. So let me know if you've tried these products, and I'll also put them in the description. Well, not the description, just above my name. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.